Fufu na why them no chale. Eh, your friend Nanka bed and I ya quattro. Abwe you don't pass at one of the sister. Jay, some no abincha. Or a quarter of Mpoto. If Hilda's kitchen, you be the man be easy. You can't get it anywhere. Besiaba, my is when you social stove though. Honestly, me very proud of. A woman on a years. Into me and not me achieve results now. Oh my goodness, Charlie. Oh, budget do rough. Mama Cameron do wanna share. Sister. It's been ya ne cleanliness in it. I fulfill you so I condo. Obi no kwanade onye sikente binzo. Osrama sa memeni bio. Papa bi. Mama cat on them into me breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, tea, now more in one. Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen, oh, good food, made in a clean environment. It was made in a clean environment, and maka Jimmy's ati because mammy ye piano or ye clean environment, as you can see. Nda kokoka crack to joka cry, busia moka can one is it. Today I'm coming to prepare some malicious abian kwani sister obey your one. Don't skip through the video or record. Baby, and go that care why on kwana in be winny muda and channel kwana ya say it as it. Wash them very nicely. There was more cotton and cottonam said as crab cotton. A boy will don't pensan a yat so nam dear. A summoner being trap or one quantum shall sustain on quanny a guy, papa. Some more close via Eben was so fun Harry's papa be. Put a pediatra to Hilda's kitchen. Put the number is 0799099757 or code. It was a poku. Set as it tuna. Catch all the mobile abiankwan and mobile abiankwan. Number for beef nam, salted beef. Buy from Hilda's kitchen. Buy your salted beef from Hilda's kitchen. A personam bibia woman quanazi. What fun is zoo? Hey, Charlie, or what you do? Namwa a poto set as it. Zinning in argum, Yemizugum or poto, a tantra. You're my and a come, sister. Don't skip through the video now. Nkwana nyama wom, nzama woman kasa. Diced onion. I won't add salt because of the salted beef, and then sometimes the tuna also contains some salt. So I'm very careful when I'm using all the stock fish and salted beef in cooking. So I'm going to cover it and start blending my stuff. Don't skip through the video. Say please, man, papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Ebusia, me catch all a clean environment, a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yes, man, papa. Or don't skip through the video. Na mom one jidu day. Sa. At this time is it Mawanyo. This is onion, bell pepper, even if friend pepperoni, set as it, even friend green pepper, whatever, however you call it in your local language or how you understand it. It's not a problem at all. I've got some chilies over here. Moko, yo moko, mama shikama. Ginger, so the water is very cold, Charlie. So I'm adding some ginger to it and a lot of onion. As you can see, I love onion, and I will add some cloves of garlic to it. It's frozen, so I'll add it when I'm going to blend it. So don't skip through the video because it's going to be magic. Then abian kwano is going to be powerful. Wow, Charlie. As you can see, the chicken, the kotoje, the koto, the poku, the eben, and malakam while you're not going to be the beef, is steaming very well. You can see. This time I'm just adding my blend. Onion, a lot of onion, a lot. I'm using oye with bell pepper, chili, ginger, and garlic. Sets are same. Double check because on China wagu, so you don't stress it too much. I'm going to cover this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'll come back with the rest of rokodo on bonjidos. At this time, I'm going to add my palm cream to the soup. Set as I love using inkulino. If you also love it, leave your nice comments under the video or rokodo mombonjedo. There you go. Wow. My pot is very big, so I'm going to use 2 of this. What then? Chale onya grow one ma be no kra no ochende why blog. Wow. The me abenko is on Osho Globe, so I'm telling you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'm going to cover it for about 6 minutes. No onhurika crown set as before I'll add the rest of the water. It's always good you add hot water. Nkoni ye bezin kusida set as into mempeda nam no obogo obeye pacha da bi orokodo. Wow. If say I'm from tomatoes ngum iyo ye a passato tomatoes na why like seriously wanyam why kama all the way from Italy but your pebia one what to being in Asia jollof rice cry you don't need any puree tomatoes at all or rokodo abian kwano so man tomatoes bebreba na fine no one na kokko sal bi set asi or there etumi hu the balance nzama tezigwa amanfo fufu ndo what to say sister here guy sister Jutsu Auntie Hilda Charlie ewu krum papa hey ombonjiro don't forget to give me the thumbs up, leave your nice comments. This is very simple method of making your abian kwan, the globes one. Wow. Shining don't on your bed. So this is hot water. Obuo mezi banano obinim tam. Imagine there we hura nkone se sanchez nsurin eziguma. Na wa ma wide manana ije na obe start fufu bi we heat pan no ansa na nkwa na wide wa bin nti nsu shows it say wo means na ezi ya za obuo papa. Nkwana na yaye no. Nkwana nine. I'm going to allow it to cook very nicely. Obesidu on a very low heat for more than 1 hour. Nkakra no chede akokwa na lebin. Abia na lebin. Bibiala lebin set as mama nsonhwe. Nchen moko ni nyina odede na akwem pepepe orokodo. Ebian this tomatoes crazy set as we puye kama abian kwan papa bi sister memunu ncho kwato wom poku wom sister mom to ba amkan akukọ wom set as eputu wom squid nso wom eposenam ebanu wom sister kotodwo wom iwo fa ne zoo abenkon soup papa bi kotodwo ni say won wo yo nkwana meli yesi wo kotodwo no nnam wo hwe chale jay nkwoto nam sister yes busy for Friday days busy emutu papa bi mom bonjido or record life and colored yes is mentioning na hene stove ni apapa do akonda kama or record ebusuan nkwan ze ogudo ador bi na yi oyemuku mpochom di figana be na mzututum sesa ase ezina afide muko no wantima na yikro na apoto egu fa na poto egu sesa ase oboje do papa nyotantra no so ma ahohoro ho acondoliciously na mzutum. I'm not going to add any salt at all. Mushroom so onya ne chafa won kwan no sesa ase nkwan na mayen Mr. Misha Mabia and Kwanana Moo, the sister semi maids the banner. Shay, Charlie. Give me the thumbs up, no budget, the papa, but the monk easy. You can get it only from Hilda's kitchen. Papa, baby, oh, budget, rough. It was for happy Friday. Now, make care with the maybe still na my no. My boom was ye. And Monson amount for it to be am wakan. Your plain white rice or budget. I been calling soon or papa be. You will find a bugger bokwatamale, sister. Hey, I be on quanquatonum womb, eputu womb, ebon womb, poku womb, nampa womb, kotojo womb. Hey, Namizumo could be shot to snowing one a man, mushrooms, kakra. No, I shall a chance in a one. Name day, yes. Made in a clean environment, my boo, my ba, it was for a being conny bay joe. Ah, yen your fufubia, no more go pan, sister. It's a man, Jay. The wouldn't say is quite ricey. No, I should be being still ya Maya manala. No other than who do your sister. Your jibrozich way. Hey, I don't think I'll be able to resist till tomorrow. Fufuka crabby or a man contains the sets I say, oh, crowby soon or I been one and sister, one penny you, young phone gum, nala wongo. Kotoja, kwa, Charlie. Hey, you work hard, so on Saturdays is it? Nkwatonam beef nam na hwemu stove no so sister bibia on point set ase momumbu aroka kra na heat no no ntobwa sister edwumazino nti odumemenda to Hilda's kitchen ka kosupoku wele eban adwen poku snails wa ho mponche na ma wa ho sister face benezi na wa na ebre set ase face ban papa nezi is vanishing in any clean stove no come nti ban no be na bibia de na kwema konda mom bonjiri dates free no we be simenyim sometime let me share a bit amam free nkotonam eban pochotobi na fa ya ben kona Hilda's kitchen ma mo nkroma so wo mukakra sister hey Papa be Charlie nyama won kwani mo beef nam akoko Charlie the fufu no so mam why very soft hwem kwani wan em do she globes papa be